Hello everyone and welcome back to the another video. Today we will be creating a table tennis bat in SolidWorks. We will walk through each step together. So let's get started. First, we need to set the unit system. For our design document, we will be using the MMGS unit system where length is measured in millimeter, mass in gram and time in second. Click on the unit system area. Select MMGS. The tick mark indicates that this unit system is now active. We will begin by creating the sketch for the base feature, the first or parent feature of our model. Activate the sketch tool and select the front plane as the sketching plane. You are now in the sketching environment. Activate the center line tool and draw a vertical center line here like this and a horizontal center line here. Now activate the line tool, draw a horizontal line here, then a vertical line and an arc like this. Now activate the spline tool, draw it here, this one as a start point, then one more point here, again one here and last one here. So next we will mirror this sketch. Activate the mirror tool, select previously created sketch as entities to mirror, then activate this mirror about option, select this center line. You can see the preview. Click on the green tick mark. Activate the smart dimensions tool, select this vertical line and set it to 145 mm. Select these two vertical lines and set the distance between them as 60 mm. Select this arc and set the radius as 63 mm. Select this point and the origin point, then set the distance between them as 205 mm. Select this point and the origin point and set the horizontal distance between them as 145 mm. Select this point again and this horizontal center line, then set the distance between them as 264 mm. Select this point and the origin point and set the horizontal distance between them as 125 mm. Select this point again and the origin point and set the vertical distance between them as 476 mm. Select this top point and the origin point and set the vertical distance between them as 550 mm. You can see after all dimensions are applied, the sketch becomes fully defined and all entities turn black. Next, we will extrude this sketch to add the material. Go to the feature, activate this base extrude tool, select mid plane and set the extrusion thickness to 10 mm. Preview appears. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of extrude feature. Activate sketch tool. Select this face as a sketching plane. You are now in the sketching environment. Select these two edges with Ctrl key and convert it into an sketch entities. Activate line tool and draw a horizontal line like this. Activate the trim entities tool, then select trim to closest and then select this unwanted part to be trimmed. Then click on the green tick mark. Activate the smart dimensions tool, then select this horizontal line and then this origin point and set the distance between them as 223 mm. Now go to the feature, activate the extrude face tool, select blind here, set the extrusion thickness as 3 mm You can see the preview. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of extrude feature. Now we will mirror this feature. Select front plane as the mirror plane, activate this feature to mirror option, then select this boss extrude. You can see the preview. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of mirrored feature. Activate the sketch tool, select right plane as the sketching plane. You are now in the sketching environment. Activate the center line tool, then draw a vertical center line here like this. Activate the line tool, then draw the sketch starting from here, vertical line like this, then here, and now close the sketch. Activate the Smart Dimensions tool and set this horizontal distance as 10 mm. Select this vertical line and set the vertical distance as 185 mm. You can see all entities turn black. Now we will mirror this sketch. Activate the Mirror Entities tool. Now select previously created sketch as entities to mirror. Then activate this Mirror About option. Then select this vertical center line. Preview appears. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of mirrored entities. Now go to the feature. Activate Extrude Base tool. Select mid plane and set the extrusion depth as 60 mm, and now click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of extrude feature. Next, we will fillet the edges. Activate the fillet tool, select fillet type as constant size fillet, then select these edges one by one, this one and this one also. Now set the fillet radius as 10 mm. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of fillet feature. Ctrl+N for the isometric view. Now we will add some text. Activate the sketch tool and select this face as the sketching plane. Activate the center line tool and draw a center line here. Activate the text tool, select this line as curve, activate this text option, then write CADARTIFEX, CAD artifacts. Select this one, uncheck this and select font and set the font size as 7. Click on OK. You can see the preview. Click here. Now go to the feature, activate the Extrude Base tool. Select blind here, then set the extrusion depth as 2 mm. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of extrude feature. Again, activate the sketch tool, select this face as the sketching plane, activate the center line tool, then draw a horizontal center line here like this. Activate the text tool, select the center line as curve, and now write CAD artifacts and CAD artifact solutions. Here, select this, uncheck this, select font, and set the font size as 10. Click on the green tick mark. Activate the Smart Dimensions tool, then select this horizontal center line and this edge and set the distance between them as 5 mm. Now we will extrude it. Go to the feature, activate the Extrude Base tool, select blind here, set extrusion thickness as 2 mm, then click on the green tick mark here. You can see the current model look like this. Next, we will apply the material to the model. Go to the material, right click on Edit Material. A dialog box appears. Open the SolidWorks Material Library, scroll down and open the woods material. Select oak woods, apply and close. Now we will change the appearance. Select this extrude base feature, activate the appearance tool, select boss extrude. Now open this appearance library, scroll down, open rubber and then select gloss rubber. Double click here and set the red color. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the change in appearance. Again, select the mirror tool feature, activate the appearance tool, select mirror tool. Go here and open the appearance library. Open rubber, select gloss rubber, double click here, select color as black. Then click on the green tick mark to confirm the change in appearance. You can see the current model looks like this. Next, select these two boss extrude base tool with Ctrl key, then activate the appearance tool. Select boss extrude, go here, open the appearance library, open rubber, select gloss rubber, double click here, set color as red. Then click on the green tick mark to confirm the change in appearance. And that's it. You have now created a table tennis bat in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.